Okay, Bridget, it's your first thunderstorm. Out on the balcony. Can you hear it? Yeah. You like the sounder? No. What is that? What is that? Rumbling. Here comes our August storm season. Here comes the storm. Hi, baby. Where's the lightning? Oh, goodness. There's the storm. Ooh. You hear it? Getting a little rain. What do you think, Bridget? What do you think? Yeah. Pretty neat, huh?